All right, today we've got a grass type sandwich.
It's certainly very leafy.
So what type of seasoning do you want to use?
I don't really know what's gonna make this taste like anything.
Salt.
Okay, that's one. Bitter?
Sure. I guess lettuce counts as bitter.
Right? I guess. You go sweet again?
Go for it.
All right. Very good. All right. Let's go. It's so big. This isn't, you can't even see the bread.
Oh, okay.
It's like the tofu sandwich all over again.
Oh dear. I should have done this one. I should have done these first. That's what I normally do in-game. I just didn't think about that.
All right, we need our top piece of bread.
No, I can't.
Yeah, no.
It's not worth it. Oh, finish it off with a pick. Sad crunching.
Give it a try.
Oh, I go first this time? How about you? Ladies first.
I was hoping I could get you to get in there on that first bite, make it easier for me.
It just looks like you're carrying lettuce. You can't even see it on camera.
Yeah, the bread's there.
The bread is there, we promise.
This is gonna be really difficult to actually get a bite of anything other than.
Just kind of squeeze it down.
Well, no, the problem is that the lettuce sticks so far out over the side.
Oh. Alright, and while you try and process that, I'm gonna take a bite of this. Oh, it's even worse when you hold it. Mm-hmm. This is... Oh dear. This is...
So, I actually thought the lettuce sandwich would just be kind of like meh, or just like fine because it's just lettuce. I did not enjoy this.
This felt like biting through a ream of paper.
Yeah, it's actually like really dry.
It's extremely dry. Like, this lettuce needs to be tossed in like a vinegar, some salt and pepper. It really feels like biting through like plastic. Like,
yeah.
Like as if I ate from a fake bowl of fruit.
It's so dry.
This ain't it. This ain't it at all. This is terrible.
Yeah. Grass type sandwich, not good.
Not good at all.